We're here at my sister's house to check out her backyard garden. There's an empty box in her front yard, but she surrounded it with peony plants to make it less noticeable. The trellis against her garage was built a few years ago to divert water from her downspout. Before the trellis, the water would drain onto her sidewalk and eventually freeze in the winter, making it slippery and dangerous for anyone walking by.
There's a cherry.
Cherry bush,
Yes, cherry bush.
have you harvested anything yet?
I forgot to remove all those fruits. That's why.
Oh, this one.
That's already. There are lots of
Have you
fruits.
tasted them yet?
Oh, it's sour.
Oh, sour? What do you call this? What kind of cherry is it?
I don't know.
Sour cherry.
Sour cherry.
And this is
That's what is that?
lilac?
Lilac. Lilac.
Cherry tomatoes, yeah.
Cherry tomato.
Mhm.
Bataw.
Bataw. There's flowering.
It's flowering, and that's string beans. No flower at all.
Have you harvested from it yet?
No.
Oh, there is. See?
No.
There.
Oh yeah. I haven't harvested anything from that.
And the
And that's
eggplants.
eggplant.
Any harvest from the
Yep.
eggplants?
It's a white eggplant.
Oh, where'd you get the white eggplants from?
I don't know. Elvis gave it to me.
Here it is.
Is there any better?
Yeah, there's another one here.
Yeah, that's a white eggplant.
Is there any difference between the
It's the texture.
uh-huh,
The texture.
finer or
Finer,
coarser?
yeah, finer. Yeah.
And the taste?
And the taste, it's different.
How?
The skin is harder, but the flesh inside is very is it
Sweet
sweet and fluffy or
or
what?
fluffy?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you have lots of ripe
I don't know what kind
pepper.
of pepper is
And you
this.
have a there
What's
you have
this?
a what do you call this?
What is that?
No, it's a
The big one?
No. I'm talking about the insect. It's the
What's that?
ladybug.
Oh, I have lots of ladybugs.
Oh, you're lucky.
Yeah, I have lots of ladybugs.
I used to have lots of ladybugs, but I didn't see anything this year.
Oh,
And this is
apple tree.
no fruits yet.
No.
How long have you had this one?
Oh, 5, 6.
And no fruits
No
yet?
fruit.
No, not even flower.
No.
This phlox
That's phlox.
and eggplants.
Yeah, eggplant.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Yan yung red na kinuha ko sa'yo.
Bee balm?
No, it's not a bibble.
Where?
Where's that?
I don't remember.
It's just like this.
That looks like that's a luyot.
This is a luyot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but that one there.
Yeah, it's a red one that I got it from you.
The only red I remember is bee balm, but it doesn't look
Maybe
like
that
bee balm.
one. Yeah.
That's cosmos. More eggplants.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, it's salvia.
Yeah. And this,
And this one here is it's still in the pot.
yeah, I think it's a herb.
An herb? Oh, I think I know
It's
what
an
it
herb.
is.
It's not basil though.
No, it's not basil.
No.
It's I forgot what it is.
Look at that white one.
Agastache,
Uh-huh.
or what's called the common name?
Look at this. It's so big.
Oh yeah, but
Huge.
it's pretty.
That's pretty though. Yeah.
but it's invasive.
Yeah, it is, but you have to.
Oh, they go
Yeah,
everywhere.
the seeds.
Oh, it's the seeds that
It's the seeds, yeah.
scatters. Yeah. Okay. And those are
Bato,
okay.
and inside is a tomato.
Tomato, cherry
Cherry
tomatoes,
tomato, the yellow one.
and the more
That's one
saluyot.
I don't know what's the name.
I think it's just
I have to
another.
cut this one.
It's just
That's
another
bee balm.
bee balm, yeah.
Yeah. I have to cut it now.
No, it's a Veronica.
Is it Veronica?
Yeah, you see this flower over there? That's a
Oh.
Veronica. Yeah, it's it has a powdery mildew right now. Oh, that's a onion.
Yeah, that's onion.
This is Batiste.
Yes, I think. Yeah.
Mhm.
I got it from you too.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's a big one. That's the I think it's colored yellow.
Yeah.
Tomatoes,
Tomato and bitter melon.
bitter melon.
If you want some.
I still have some.
Look at this.
plenty of-
I don't know where to put it already.
Why don't you cook it? Oh, you have lots.
I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And oh, I thought that was a big one.
It's a Carella and the regular one.
Wow.
And-
Where'd you get the Corella one?
It's still the same as the regular.
Maybe it's not really a Corella. Because I have a Corella right beside it too.
Mhm. Bim Bim has the Carella,
Uh-huh.
and it came from me,
Uh-huh.
and she has the Carella.
Oh, this is from Kuya Bim, right? The
Mhm,
tomato?
mhm, mhm. Oh no, from LB.
Oh, from LV also?
Mhm.
Oh. And the sedum. Yellow rose. My yellow,
Yellow
rose died.
rose. Yeah. Why?
My yellow rose died. I don't know. That's the only
I
rose
think
that
this is a
died.
limelight.
Yeah, a hydrangea limelight.
Limelight.
And
And that's what came from you.
yeah, this is a cone flower, white cone flower.
Yeah.
And this is
Bogo.
No. This one. It's some sort of a sage.
Sage, yeah.
mhm. And there's this is the bogo one.
That's a bogo.
Not bogo, bobo.
Bobo.
Yeah,
Bobo.
bobo. Yeah. Mhm.
And it's still growing.
Yeah, it's still growing. Yeah. I think it's supposed to be only 2 to 3 feet high.
Also, it's
almost there.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. And this is
Phlox.
the phlox, more cone flower.
There.
And this is the peony.
Peony.
Yeah. And white phlox.
Mm-hmm. And that's the best one.
This one.
The incredible.
Incredible. You know what? This you could you could dry this one up.
Yeah.
Yeah. It comes out greenish, right? Greenish white. And then
Greenish white.
it turns to white.
Yeah.
And then it turns back to greenish
White. That's what.
Yeah, that's the last one.
That was the
That's
last one.
stage,
Yeah,
right?
last
To dry it.
for the seeds.
No, you don't have to. No, for decoration.
Decoration.
Yeah,
Oh.
flower decoration. Just
yeah.
hanging upside down.
Oh, that's why Jamie is doing that. She's hanging the flower
Yeah.
upside down.
And this is spirea.
That's one.
This one.
Yeah.
And these are the ones that the project that you did. The
Yeah, that's the one the project that we did.
the interlocking stones.
Yeah.
Actually, it's nice.
It's nice. Yeah.
You
And
could
all-
have, you
and
could have
all-
extended more.
Yeah.
And you have lots of tomatoes.
Mhm.
No, mostly are green.
There.
Oh, there's some more
Pepper here.
tomatoes.
Then here. Oh, there's a pepper here.
Lemon tree. How
Mm.
old is the lemon tree?
3 or 4 years old.
Oh, it's going to fruit soon.
Mm-hmm.
But how come it didn't grow that long? That tall, I mean. You need a bigger pot.
I have to change. The.
You need a bigger pot.
But yeah, big.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put in a bigger pot.
That is Robin, my sister's dog. She's smart and gentle. When you talk to her, it feels like she understands you, almost like a person. Robin loves walks and car rides, but hates flying. That's why her mom no longer takes her along when visiting her human siblings. She would rather stay with her dog cousin Maddie than fly on an airplane. She used to have many dog cousins, but due to old age, she only has one left, the one that bosses her around, which she doesn't mind as long as she gets to play with Maddie. Robin is very friendly and likes to calmly watch people walking by through the cracks in the fence. But when she sees another dog, she barks nonstop and runs across the length of the backyard, acting like a crazy dog. Like her mom, Robin enjoys gardening. She inspects her mom's garden every day, checking if any of the garden fruits are ripe and making sure the rabbits living under their shed don't damage their plants. If she sees those rabbits hanging around, she chases them until they disappear or go back under the shed where she can't reach them. Robin is a good and helpful dog. She loves helping her mom in the garden and even picks ripe tomatoes on her own. Her favorite snack is ripe tomatoes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Your comments are greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest videos. Again, thank you and see you next time. Happy gardening!